System V safety nets, gibbets. These are safety nets with a perimeter rope which are fixed to a gibbet-style support. Safety nets are those that are held in place by a perimeter rope or other fastening devices, or a combination of these, and are designed to catch people who might fall from a certain height. Components of a System V safety net. Gibbet, which is normally made up of 2 sections. The link is achieved in this case using a bent disc secured by a fastening wire. Fastening rope and linking rope. Safety net with the identification tag. Initial assembly. Prior conditions. We start with a slab to which a provisional ledge protection system has been attached, along with the small boxes every 4.5 meters where the gibbets will be inserted, and forks every 50 centimeters that will serve to secure the nets. Individual safety equipment. The following are deemed necessary: hard hat, protective gloves in case there should be a mechanical risk, professional safety footwear. Initial assembly. Using the health and safety plan as a starting point, the site safety officer explains the job's characteristics to the fitters. On this occasion, the nets have a mosquito mesh attached to them in case any small objects should fall. On the other hand, since their assembly is expected to enclose the facade, they also have an intermediate rope. The assistance of a tower crane is required. The crane operator proceeds to sling a gibbet made up of 2 sections and hoists the same. We can see that the fastening rope has already been threaded through the gibbet. One of the fitters, standing behind the provisional ledge protection system, receives the gibbet and puts it into the small box inserted in the slab, at the end of which the sling is taken away. We take a new gibbet and repeat the previous procedure. We can see how the workers move away from the area affected by the load. The gibbet is inserted into the small box. We confirm with the crane operator that the operation has concluded. The sling is taken away. We prepare to raise another gibbet. It's hoisted. The workers move away from the area. We guide the crane operator. The gibbet is inserted into the small box. We confirm with the crane operator that the operation has concluded. The sling is taken away. We start to attach the nets to the gibbets. To achieve this, the fastening rope is tied to the loops in the sections of netting that we want to link. The adjacent sections are hoisted. We set about lashing them together using the linking rope. The nets are lashed together one at a time. The net is hoisted again. We continue lashing. We can see the joint details. Another hoist. We continue lashing. The other end of the section is fixed provisionally. We tie once more. We lash together. Remember, one net at a time. Once we finish lashing the sections together, they are finally hoisted up. The fastening rope is tied to the gibbet. The net is now ready to be fixed to the slab. The perimeter rope is threaded behind the forks. At all times, standing behind the provisional ledge protection system. The mosquito net is adjusted. And now the nets are in their initial position. Moving the nets. Fitters are required on the floors above and below. The fitter on the floor below starts to untie the fastening rope so the gibbet can be hoisted. We do this with the help of a tower crane. The fitter on the floor above receives and guides the gibbet, while the crane operator guides the fastening rope. The gibbet is inserted into the small box. The sling is taken away. We continue with another gibbet. This time, the gibbets need to be higher than previously. To achieve this, another section is connected. Another hoist. We can see how the net is still fixed to the slabs below. The gibbet is inserted into the small box. The sling is taken away. A section of net is provisionally hoisted. Another gibbet is put in position. Another section of net is provisionally hoisted. We continue moving gibbets. The net is released from the slabs below, freeing the perimeter and intermediate ropes. After this, the sections of net are hoisted into their final position. The nets are fixed to their new position via the intermediate and perimeter ropes, which are threaded behind the forks. The forks are bent using a hammer. The net is now in its new position. The front is protected, and in accordance with the health and safety plan, the left-hand corner has a mosquito net added to it. Other types of nets. Nets can be attached in a variety of ways, some of which could be considered original. Thus we have the following. Horizontal nets, which are not fixed to the slab but use textile tape fitted with struts. At one end, the tape is fitted with a loop through which, for example, it can be connected with clips to a fixing device fitted to a post. Using the struts to tighten it. Vertical nets fixed by using textile tape. Two textile tapes are laid out, one above and one below, to which the net is attached, thereby providing a screen which protects from a fall. The net is fixed using a perimeter rope and clips. Meanwhile, the tape is attached to the posts using textile fixing devices.